Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to hide and unhide the notch on the Poco C75. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on notifications and status bar. Now from here, scroll down and tap on hide notch. Now from here, if you want to hide the notch, just select hide without moving the status bar. Now when you select this option, it will hide the notch on the display. Now if you want to unhide the notch, just go to the settings. Now from here, tap on notifications and status bar. Now from here, scroll down and tap on hide notch. Now from here, just select don't hide and it will unhide the notch. And this is how you can hide and unhide the notch on the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.